Hello, welcome to another wiki procedure, and today we are going to look on how you can apply for a foreign nationals registration certificate or alien card in Kenya. Down here below we have given you a link which is going to direct you to our wiki procedure website page, where we have given you detailed instructions of how you can go about the application process. Additionally, on the right hand side of our screen we have given you a select language option, through which you can select the language of your choice by clicking the downward pointing arrow and selecting the language which you find easy to understand or comprehend. By choosing your preferred language, all the information on the wiki procedure website page will be translated to the language of your choice, and you'll be able to read through the instructions with ease. You can easily revert back to English by clicking once again on the downward pointing arrow and choosing English, and all the information will be translated back to English. We have also included external links to other websites which you can visit so as to get more information on how you can make the applications for the Foreign National Registration Certificate or Alien Card in Kenya. We have also included external links to the eCitizen platform, also through which we are going to use to make the application. We have also included the link we have included the links to the foreign national management platform, which we are also going to use to make the application. We are going to go through these processes of application through these online platforms as we move on with our presentation today. And before we move on with our presentation, I would like you to hit the like button on our YouTube page, and hit on this video right here, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel, and the notification button on our YouTube channel, so you can get notifications every time we upload new content on our YouTube channel. So let's get back to our presentation. The list of items which we are going to cover in this session include the need for the alien card, the eligibility criteria, the required documents, the steps to follow in making the applications, the fees applicable, validity period, processing time, office location and contact information, and any other information that we may find relevant on how to apply for the Foreign National Registration Certificate or Alien Card in Kenya. So welcome to our presentation today, which is brought to you by wikiprocedure.com. The need for the alien card or foreign national registration certificate. This allows foreign residents in Kenya to be registered by the Kenyan government. The law requires that all foreign residents within Kenya for a period exceeding 90 days to be registered. So if you are a foreigner in Kenya for more than 90 days, you need to have this alien card, otherwise you will be breaking the law. The eligibility criteria. The following persons are eligible for the Foreign National Registration Certificate or an alien card: visitors staying beyond 90 days, residents on work permit, residents dependents, students, foreign students, and permanent residents. And the following persons are exempted from foreign national registration. These are serving members of the armed forces, a public officer and the spouse and the children, a person exempted from the provisions of the Act, a refugee registered under the Refugee Act, a person who resides in Kenya for a continuous period not exceeding 3 months and is in possession of a valid visitor's pass or other authority under the Act. For example, a special pass is not eligible or is exempted from getting the alien card. The required documents are as follows. You need a foreign national in Kenya shall produce the following as part of the application for a foreign national certificate or alien card. One, you need a duly filled, signed and stamped online application form 50, which you will print at the end of the application for a foreign certificate, that is the alien card. A copy of your valid passport to establish your identity and nationality. 2 recent color photographs with a white background taken not more than 12 months before the date of application. A resident person will be required to produce the above in addition to a valid permit or pass, and if the application is for renewal, the applicant is required to produce the previous foreign certificate. For lost alien cards, the applicant will be required to produce a valid police abstract as proof of loss. Note that all the requirement listed above must accompany the printed online application form during presentation at the Immigration Office headquarters in Nyayo House, Nairobi, Kenya. The application procedure is as follows. The law requires that all foreign residents within Kenya for a period exceeding 90 days be registered. So the steps is that you need to know that the application can only be done online. So the first step is to register with the Kenya Electronic Foreign National Service, EFNS, through their portal, and the link is right here. So click on the create account link to create your account and register. You will need to fill in your personal information source to register for the EFNS, and once you have registered, you'll then need to log into your EFNS account, and under the submit application tab, click on the submit new application. This will direct you to the next page where you should make your next selection, and under the Foreign National Service section, click on the apply now link in the Foreign National Certificate tab. This will direct you to the next page, and here you should read the instructions carefully and then click on the apply now button, which will direct you to the online application form. Fill in the online application form with all the required details and upload the supporting documents, and then click on proceed. This will lead you to the next page where you are supposed to upload your passport photo and then click on the save button. And after completing the application form, an invoice will be generated, which you can see by clicking on the dashboard and then payments tab to make your payment. And once you are there, click on the wallet icon to make your payment through the provided payment methods. Print the payment acknowledgement receipt and the online application form and present them to the Immigration Headquarters offices in Nyayo House, Nairobi, or their regional offices in Kisumu and Mombasa, and make sure you present all the required documents to the immigration offices. Here, your fingerprint impressions will be taken by an immigration officer to produce the final product, which is a foreign national certificate or an alien card. The issuing of the foreign national certificate is usually after 2 weeks after the submission of the application documents to the immigration offices, and you shall receive notifications through your email and on your online account about the progress of your application. So let's see how this is done online. Okay. First of all, I recommend you create your e-citizen account, which is going to help you during payment. So create your e-citizen account. You can do this if you're a foreign resident. Create your e-citizen account by clicking foreign resident account. We have a video showing how you can create your e-citizen account. You'll fill in your details. After you fill in your details, confirmation link will be sent to your email address. Click on that confirmation link, and that is going to direct you back to the login page. And once you're on the login page, you can sign in using the username or your email address and the passport number and the password which you have used, and by clicking on the login, you'll be directed to your dashboard. So once you're on your dashboard, once again go back and enter in your account on your browser fns.immigration.go.ke. By entering this, you'll be directed to this page right here, fns.immigration.go.ke. After entering this into your browser, this is the Foreign National Service portal. You'll be asked to log in into the Foreign National Service portal. So log in using your e-citizen account, which will make it easier for you to make your payment online. So just click login using e-citizen account, which is going to direct you to this next page. They'll ask the Foreign National Management to ask they want to access your basic e-citizen information. So just click on allow. By clicking allow, you'll be directed to the Foreign National Service dashboard. And once you are here, click on submit new applications. So after clicking submit new applications, just browse down to the Foreign National Service and click under the Foreign National Certificate, click on the apply now icon. When you click on the apply now icon, you'll be directed to this next page. When you are here, just read all through the instructions. They'll give you information about who qualifies, who is exempted, the requirements, the payment fees, and after you have read everything, click on the apply now button. By clicking apply now, you'll be directed to the next page, where is the foreign national application form. This is the form 50. Now you're supposed to fill in the application type, if it's an initial, registration, a renewal, a duplicate, or if you want to correct your civil status or other corrections, select which type of application you want. Fill in your name, your gender, your passport number, date of issue, the expiry date, place of issue, phone number, your birth, place of birth, country of birth, nationality, country of residence, postal address, physical location. After you've filled all these, I select how many years do you want. If you want a 1 year alien card, or a 2 year, or a 3 year. For 3 years is for only permanent residents, are the ones who are allowed to get 3 years resident card. So resident alien cards. So choose either one of these application and click on proceed. By clicking proceed, you'll be taken to this next page, and on this next page you are now to upload your passport photo. And after uploading your passport photo, and you have seen everything is correct, just click on save, and this is going to take you to the next page, and the next page you are going to see your application, and this is the application which you have just made for a national application. This is the date right now. So once you're here, you can view the details, you can edit the details, or you can even print the form if you want to print the form. To print the form, so you can have a proof of it, but you're supposed to print the form so you can take a copy of it to the immigration offices. Once you're here, click on the dashboard. By clicking on the dashboard, you'll be able to see your invoice statements. So the application which you have just made is up here. So for you to make payments, you're supposed to click on the payment icon, or this wallet icon right here, and by clicking on this wallet icon, you'll be directed to the next page, which is going to connect you with your eCitizen account, and you'll be given payment methods for you to choose how you're going to make your payment. So as I had chosen 1 year, for 1 year is 2,050 shillings, and you can choose to pay through M-Pesa. They've given you the option of payment here. So I'm supposed to make the payment, and once you've made the payment, you'll be given a confirmation receipt which will be sent to your email address, and you'll be also one will be sent to the dashboard here, and you're supposed to print that confirmation acknowledgement of payment together with the copy of you're supposed to print the copy of your application form to submit to the immigration offices at Nyayo House, Nairobi, Kenya. And once you are there, your fingerprints will be taken, and after a period, or after the processing period, you'll be issued with your alien card or foreign national registration certificate. So let's move on. The initial registration is 2,000 shillings. For subsequent renewal is 1,000 shillings per year after the first registration, so you're supposed to pay 1,000 shillings per year. Duplicate or lost foreign national certificates is 2,000 shillings, and correction of civil status is free of charge. The validity period of the alien card is valid for a period not exceeding 2 years, and in case of permanent residence, a permanent residence permit holder, the certificate or alien card is valid for a period not exceeding 3 years. The processing time is 2 weeks, that is 14 days, and the office location for the Department of Immigration, the headquarters are at Nyayo House, Nairobi, Kenya, and you can visit them through their website at www.immigration.go.ke. The Mombasa offices are at the PC office building, and Kisumu, they are located at the new provincial headquarters. You can visit them also through the Foreign National Service portal, that is fns.immigration.go.ke. Another information is that the Foreign National Registration Certificate or alien card remains the property of the Kenyan government, and the holder must surrender it to the nearest immigration office when he or she ceases to reside in Kenya, or at the port of departure from Kenya. So thanks for watching the procedure today. As you've seen, it's quite simple to make the application. So before you finish, I'll urge you to hit the like button, hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get notifications every time we upload new content on our YouTube channel. So thank you for watching and have a good day.